So we're just gonna build a small collector's boutique by NFTs collected. I just got rid of all the source code here in the editor, and yeah, let's get into it. At first, we're gonna add a collection. Those are my latest mints. We're gonna click the edit button over here, just remove all the tokens and search for Lucrece. And add a couple of these. Yep, 8. Just click confirm. They're already loaded. Since I want to make a 4x2 column collection grid, I just changed the columns attribute here to 4. And maybe we're going to minimize the gaps here in between the NFTs to like 4, 3. Okay, nice. And we're going to add a headline. Since collections can be self-closing, like in the recipe, can get rid of that slash here, jump to the next line, and add the appropriate closing tag by writing slash collection. Can just write some text like collection by cliche and add a H2 headline which goes by Lucrece Artworks. Great. So next step is I want to change the typography. So we're gonna go to the quick setup, here to the text font, click just here and choose the intertide font. Awesome. And I want the text to be aligned to the left. So we're just going to the global settings text, scrolling down to alignment, clicking here, clicking left. Maybe you recognized it by changing the settings over here through the user interface. The variables here got added. I can just put instead of the left, like center again, or even right. But that's not the game right now. Okay, cool. Next thing is I want to add a cool background image. I think we're going for the doctor here. So just click here, open object.com, and I will just add a attribute which is built up by contract and the token ID. You can't see it now, but I'm copying from the URL from above the contract. And back in the boutique, I'm gonna add a attribute called background image equals contract, and the ID from the doctor is 8. Cool. Added a background. So for the color, we want to get rid of the purple and maybe add the iconic blue. For that, we're gonna head over to the red ketchup color picker, which is pretty cool. Just click browse, add an NFT, click here, choose the right color you want. Down here, you've got the hex code. Let's go back to the boutique and just add another attribute, which is called background color equals hex code. Great. So since we don't want to have these purple margins here to the top and the bottom, we're gonna get rid of them just by adding some more attributes. First, we're gonna set the top value to 0 and the bottom value as well. Yep. We got a little gap here, which is coming from the text. I'm gonna get rid of this now by just adding some spacing. First, we're gonna add spacing top with a value of 100 pixels and a spacing, spacing bottom also 100 pixels. And yeah, made it already. So for the next step, I want to add some more artist stuff. So we're just gonna copy paste this collection here in the editor. Now we got two identical ones over here. First thing, I wanna change the headline. Let's go with some Daniel W artworks and just swapping to the full screen preview and change the NFTs. Let's get rid of the decrease ones for the second collection and just search for Daniel W. Perfect, results are already there. We're gonna select another 8. Let's go with this one, this one, this one, this one. Just another 4. And yeah, one more, maybe this one. Awesome. Let's confirm. Cool, they instantly load. Let's get back to the editor mode. First, we're gonna pick a background image again. I think we're going by this one. Just clicking on it, adding on object.com. Same thing, copying the contract ID. Token ID is 27. Back to the Butiq. Just jump into the background image attribute and replace it like that. And here we go. So since this is some monochrome stuff, we don't want to have the blue. So we're going to change the background color attribute, which is right here. Let's go with the hash and 222222, which is a dark gray. And yeah, looks quite good already. And that's it for now. Thank you.